Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Honda Fit rear view mirror. Start by parking on a flat surface and disconnecting the battery to avoid electrical faults. Use a plastic trim tool to pry off the mirror cover, then locate the retention screw or clip. Keep screws and small parts in a tray and handle wiring connectors gently before removing the assembly. Wear gloves and eye protection while you work to prevent cuts. Keep the workspace clean and use a magnetic tray for screws. Check the mirror for integrated electronics and plan to tape connectors when disconnected. Test fit the replacement before final tightening to ensure alignment. If unsure, consult a service manual or a professional for help. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading instructions and repair guides in bright garages. If you like this video, please subscribe and like to support more step-by-step car tutorials. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. It saves you search time. The Paperwhite's adjustable light and long battery life make it handy during repair breaks. Now let's get back to the video. With the cover removed, locate the screw or clip that secures the mirror base to the windshield mount. Use the correct driver and apply steady pressure while turning to avoid stripping. If the mirror slides on a rail, press the release tab and slide the mirror down. For wired mirrors, support the mirror while disconnecting the plug. Set the old mirror aside and compare mounting points before installing the replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.